Hey everybody, what's up? Scott Davis here. Today I'm hosting an open house in Spring Hill, Tennessee, in the cool subdivision of Crown Point, which is conveniently located to everything. It's a great location, great schools, and with the new June Lake exit that opened up on Highway 65, Nashville just got about 15 minutes closer. So yay, June Lake. All right, if you like videos like this, please like and subscribe. I post these all the time. If you're interested in the Middle Tennessee area, please reach out. I'm your guy. I would love to help you. Okay, so this house, this is a 1997 build. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with over 2,300 square feet. Everything's original, so it's in need of some updating, but it's completely livable. This would make a great candidate to do a renovation loan. So let's go check it out. Okay, it's a rainy day, but I'm here for you. I'm gonna get a shot of this house. It's a great neighborhood, good looking house. It's rainy. I don't know if I'm gonna get any visitors. Keep your fingers crossed for me. The roof was put on in 2021. The HVAC is original, so 1997 build, so by my math, that's about, what, 27 years old? So it's living on a prayer, but hey, aren't we all? Especially Bon Jovi. Boom, boom. All right, here we go. Welcome. Right away, we have the dining room to our right. All hardwoods in here. Real hardwood. Real wallpaper. They say wallpaper is making a comeback, but I'm not a fan. Okay, ceiling fans throughout. You've got your dining room off your kitchen, but let's go into the family room, living room area. Gas fireplace. This is listed for $529. Everything in this neighborhood is over $600. So this is priced to move because it needs updating. But I mean, it's not bad. It's totally livable. Just everybody in this zip code, this county really, is so used to, the finer things in life, if you will. I mean, if you saw where I grew up, this is like a mansion. So it's all about perspective. All right, primary bedroom. It's got its own little private deck over there, which is very cool. Got a big closet. First, let's show you this. Check it out. I would be out here a lot, not gonna lie. My laptop, working, talking on the phone, feeling sorry for everybody that wasn't sitting where I was with my view. Nothing behind you back there, but the occasional deer that visits. Okay. Nice big closet. This little extra linen closet. All right, got a separate tub, shower, separate vanities. My wife's fanny because it's bigger. She needs more counter space. Lord, does she need more counter space. All right. Sorry, babe. I love you if you're watching this. Okay. Here's your first, well, here's your second bath, your half bath. Got another big double door closet right there. There's your garage. There's your laundry. Bonus room, hardwoods. I mean, this is really nice, Needs some updating, but this has a lot of potential. Lots of potential. Look at that. Go down some plywood. Throw all your holiday decorations in there. Let's check out the garage real quick for the men folk. Two-car garage. Crawl space under there, that's interesting. Let's take a peek at that later. I didn't show you this, so I will now. Yet again, a lot of closets in that little space. Okay. Kitchen. So they took off the knobs. Took them all off. Okay, the backyard. Check. Look at this deck. They got a serious deck game going on at this place. So it's raining. Hot tub. They're willing to let it stay for an acceptable offer. Take it for what it is. All right. Two. We're missing our closet doors. Not a big deal. Speaking of closets, bathroom number 3. You know, it's all original. Could be worse though. Could be way worse. All right. Bedroom number 3. Trace bedroom. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there you go. How was that for a quick video tour? Thanks for watching. My name's Scott Davis. I'm with Hive Nashville. If you have any questions about this or any other property in the surrounding Middle Tennessee area, please reach out to me. I would love to help you. I help people like you every day and I love it. So, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy videos like this. It helps me out a lot. It makes me feel good about myself and it keeps us connected. All right, thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.